All right. So, Taufiq, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you, Kaisan, for
Good,
having me.
good. All right. Good to see you. And thank you for your time for this interview session today. So, today I would like to ask you a couple of questions, like I have been doing the interview session to other GTS grad members. But first, could you introduce yourself briefly, please?
Sure. My name is Rusdi. I came from Indonesia, but I've been living in Singapore now. Uh, so yeah, maybe that's about it.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, all right. And in terms of trading, how long have you been trading or studying so far?
Uh, I know trading since 2020.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So my experience of my starting experience for trading actually is coming from watching one of a YouTube of um, um, trader or influencer or financial influencer. He teach about how to automate a trading strategy inside MetaTrader 4 last time.
Uh-huh.
So it's like it was like an expert advisor. Yeah, yeah. That first video sparked my interest and passion to learn more about the market. I learned from there. I learned about candlestick pattern, two fundamental analysis, and of course the most important is the trading psychology. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
since 2020.
I see. Okay. So initially you're interested in EA, expert
Yes,
advisor, to
yes,
automate your
yeah.
trades.
But from there, I learned a lot that trading is not just easy way, and then can automate, and then you can leave the machine to work for you, kind of thing. Yeah.
Right. And how did it work when you tried?
Mm, it's not consistent.
Okay.
The summary there, the summary of all the things that I did with the automation trading, I cannot find a consistency from there.
Hmm.
Yeah,
I
I
see. Oh.
experience a big win. I also experience a big loss.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So, right. Simply automating like EA robots or executing trades based on the signals. So, yeah, I've had the same experience. Like I was initially studying EA also, and
yes,
I was buying some EAs, robots, or I was asking someone to create the robot and running it for maybe half a year or so. But yeah, the result was positive or negative. It depends. So it wasn't
yeah,
consistent for me too.
yes,
Okay, and then so after that experience, you started to study how to trade manually.
yes. So along with my interest in trading, I learned quite a lot of things. I learned a lot of strategies. I learned about how to uh, the risk management. I learned the fundamental of the market and all those things. But based on my experience, it's like for the past since I start to trade, it's like I cannot find the discipline and the consistency on my trade. I mean, if I experience loss, I ask myself whether this strategy is work for me. Then I change the strategy, or I change my method. Even I used to swing, and I try scalping. It's even worse. Kind of thing.
Even worse. Okay.
Yeah. The emotion. I mean, some people might be suit for different type of trading. For example, like some people suit for have the psychology to profit in swing. Some people have a psychology to profit in scalping. Yeah, but scalping might not be for me.
Okay, right. How did you find scalping to be? Was it stressful? Was it difficult psychologically, or how did you feel about scalping when you tried?
When your strategy happen to suit with the market at that time, your psychology will be okay. I mean, my psychology will be always okay. But if you experience multiply losses kind of thing, it started to bother. It started to get to your emotion. I mean,
Yeah.
the emotion for scalping is not suit for me. Yeah.
Right.
It is too intense for me. Yeah.
Right. Because it's either win or lose, and if the chance is 50-50, and if you keep losing, then eventually you boot out account, and that's not healthy psychologically.
Yes, and knowing how to stop.
Right. Right.
On a scalping is really difficult.
That's right. That's difficult. Okay. Yeah, thanks for sharing. Yeah, because I had the same experience too in scalping, so I know exactly what you mean by that. So, okay, so then you found me and you joined the GTS class this time in July 2024. And what was the biggest lesson for you during the class? If you remember any like lessons or studies during the 3 months, what was the most aha moment or shocking moment?
The story about me deciding to join GTS is actually at the beginning. I saw one of your YouTube video. It's all the way back in 2020 actually. Yeah. Then from your video, from your website, I learned about your trading strategy. Along the way, I tried to use your strategy at that time, but it maybe I have difficulties on my consistency, and I have a struggle in that. So it's like the discipline also is the issue that I do lack at that time. So from your strategy, I changed to another strategy. So, but after all of the experience that I had, I decided to join GTS in July this year. Yeah. I'm hoping to improve myself, improve in terms of everything. I want to reset myself actually.
Oh, yeah. I see.
I mean, along the way, I learned so many things, and I not just the trading strategy, also the psychology, and also the discipline. Joining the GTS, I'm hoping that I can reset all of those things. Yeah. So July this year, I decided to join GTS, and joining your class has been helpful, and it's been a good for me.
Good to hear. Good to hear. So you find your consistency now in your trade?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. I found my discipline. I found my consistency. If the market say do not enter, I stay away.
Right, right, right. Yeah, that's really, easy to say but difficult to do, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So during the 3 months, I was, giving you assignments every week to follow, and I was even asking you to take screenshots, all the screenshots, entries, and exits, and describe the reasons for the entries and reasons for exits. And yeah, I think it enforced you to be disciplined and also to really be consistent in trading for the last 3 months.
Yes, GTS course helped me a lot to develop on my lacking side. Yeah.
That's great. That's great. That's great. Yeah. So yeah, now I would like to review one of your trace screenshot
Sure.
Discord and talk about a bit more psychology in trading. So yeah, let me share screen now. So can you see screen now?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. So this is one of your trades you took on pound Swiss franc in September. It was nicely trending up, and yeah, you get the higher time frame confirmation, middle time confirmation, and also M5 entries. So yeah, then basically the market went towards your direction initially. This was 1 minute time frame, and eventually the market grew your direction. And here you mentioned that one of the stop losses got hit, and another stop loss closed due to Kijun-sen flat. Then that was a nice profit. I think he already took like a 60 pips of profit or so. So that was a good trade,
Yes.
I would say. You didn't lose, right? You won the trade.
Yes, I did lose. Yeah.
Yeah, and then after that, you mentioned that the market still continue up on Friday, and yeah, if one of the positions still on, it was 120 pips of profit. Patience is a great virtue. So if you remember, can you describe like how you were feeling psychologically that time?
At that time, in the time I took the trade, is like all of the confirmation is there. So I'm confident that the so-called market will follow the trend. But we cannot expect from the market going to our direction. That's what I learned from you also.
Yeah.
So it's like when I took the trade, okay, and then the market follow along, and then I moved the stop loss to the higher low, and then another next higher low, and then another next higher low. But at that time, one of the stop loss got hit. The first stop loss, which in the position of profit. Yeah. But then at the end of the day on Thursday, I saw when I opened the chart, because the condition is I leave the chart, and then when I opened the chart at that time, I saw the Kijun-sen in 4 hours is flat. So it's like for me it's like I need to find an exit strategy. Then I decide to move my stop loss, my last stop loss, to the previous highest low, which then got cut on that location. Yeah.
Okay, the price hit the stop loss and you took the profit there.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, and then the market continues bullish after this.
Yes.
Yeah. So, but this happens, right? So the most important is not to lose, as I mentioned. during the course or during the YouTube. And then after that, you run profits. So as long as you don't lose, it's okay. So
Yes.
we as human being, I think the most thing in terms of psychology is that let's say you enter trade and you exit with a profit, let's say 56 60 pips of profit, you take it, you should be happy. But after that, the market goes your direction, then you feel FOMO again, right? Yeah, if the market goes backwards against you after entry, you lose, then you may be frustrated. But at the same time, like in this situation too, you may not be frustrated, but you feel FOMO. So yeah, it's like it's a psychology thing.
Yes. Yeah.
But
that's also what I learned from you. It's like they always a chance for us to enter the market. Yeah,
That's
maybe
right.
not, maybe just not now, kind of.
That's right. Exactly. So even if you couldn't take 120 pips for profit, if you take another 60 pips next trade, that will be 120 pips. So it's okay. You just get what you get, and
Yeah.
following the strategy and rules,
Yeah.
you just get what you get, and
Yes.
that's okay. Right.
Nothing to regret.
Nothing to regret. Exactly. Yeah, that's the most important part. Yeah. Right. So yeah, just wanted to share this one. So yeah, this is in the month of October, and this is almost like 1 month after finishing the GTS. But hopefully you have been continuously disciplined in trading, and I heard
I'm trying.
yeah, right. And I heard that you are now challenging FTMO.
Yes, I'm in the process of the challenge.
And how is it going so far?
So far it's good. I still need a few more percent to pass the challenge.
Okay. So almost there.
Almost there.
Okay, good. Seems like now, for the last few days, the markets are ranging. So this is not good timing to trade,
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you can maybe try to look for some opportunities next week, and also you were able to capture some nice profit on one of the JPI pairs the other day.
Yes.
I mean, to in FTMO account.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Yeah. So yeah, whenever you check the charts and whenever opportunity is there, you take it. Otherwise, you stay away and come back a few hours later, and you just continue that way. So yeah, that's great that you have learned the way to discipline yourself through the.
Yes. Thank you very much, Kason.
You're welcome. And also there are some other, classmates, right, in the group.
Yes.
And discussion was active too. So I think that was also very good. Yeah, and one of the members were, in a similar time zone with you. So
Yes.
yeah, your opportunities were similar. So that was also good to see.
I often also share with him.
Yeah.
My trade.
That's great. Yeah. And also, if I may ask the last question, what is your goal in trading?
My goal in trading is to be consistently profit.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, that's good. Your journey just started now. Yeah. So if you consistently profit, let's say this month, in the month of October, and let's say November, December, you have been consistently profit, then you can have a bigger account to trade, or you can challenge some other second FTMO account, and you can fund yourself in quicker way to be able to trade on your own money.
Yes, that's the plan.
Yeah. Then you become. Are you seeking to become a full-time trader?
Mm, as for now, I'm still enjoying both of the field. The field that I'm doing now, my current profession, and trading.
Yeah, so you continue both, and that's great.
Yes.
That's great. Yeah, so yeah, and then eventually, you may be able to trade, full time, or maybe you can try some other assets and make profits, make some, take more opportunities from other, markets and assets. Yeah, okay, thank you very much. So by looking back your experience, starting from EA study and scalping study, do you have any advice to the new traders or who still don't know how to build the discipline? Do you have some comments or advice?
I think for my position, I'm also a new trader actually. Yeah, I'm resetting my journey. Yeah, so maybe for other trader, my words is to embrace the journey. Focus on the discipline and self-control. Yeah, and not to forget the psychology. Yeah. And also it's for me, for myself, it's crucial. It's important to find a supportive community to continue the learning process, the learning resource. Yeah.
Yeah, that's also important. Yeah, to support each other.
Yes.
Right. Trading is such a lonely journey. So
yes.
Yeah, sometimes you want to share your emotion, you want to share your trades, and yeah, discuss. So yeah, that's important too. Okay, yeah. Rusdi, thank you so much for your time today. And
thank you very much for having me.
Yeah, you're welcome. So I wish all the best in your trading success first.
Thank you.
Once you passed the challenge, then let me know.
Sure.
Yeah, I will looking forward to a good news.
Thank you very much. Yeah, I hope I can give you the news soon.
Yeah, but no rush. By discipline, you will be.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Keisan.
Okay. Thank you.